that intro.
What's up guys, here's Taha and you are watching House of Tech, and today I am going to unbox this mic. This mic is by Universal, and today I will unbox this mic. You can use it for vlogging and YouTube channel. So currently, without wasting any further time, let's get unbox this product. And I will take some specs, and here's the noise removing windmill foam with this mic. You can see here the mic quality is too much good. I like this mic. I use many mics, 3 to 4 mics for my YouTube channel, but every mic don't give me the result that I want. So here's the tape and 2 FT wire with this mic, and here the 3.5 mm mic jack for the headphone, and here's the cord. You can easily wear it at your ears and use it. So let's unbox it. Here's the tape, my cutter, and here's the tape is removing. So currently I'm removing the tape from the mic, and it has been going to remove. Yeah, I want to know that the tape is too much, but the wire is also too much big. You can see here in the camera, and here's the wire. You can see here it's too much big wire with this mic. It can be around about 2 to 3 FT, and you can see here, and I will give a review and a giveaway. So if we will talk about the price of this mic, so it's around about $1, 0.98 to $1. And if you will check the price online on Amazon, that it is available just for rupees $3 to $5 on Amazon. And if you will purchase it from eBay or banggood.com, so that in that way the price is available in 0.99 to $1 and $2. But I purchased it from local market, and it cost me around about $1 to $0.99. So if you want a review or sound test of this mic, so let's start the review. But I will make another video on the review. So in this time I will want an unboxing of this mic. If you like this video, then subscribe to my channel and enable the bell icon, like, share, and don't forget to comment on the video. So for the time being, take care and not bye bye. I forget to show you one thing, that I also purchased this female dog with this mic. The reason was that I think so that it will not work about this cable, but when I plugged in into my mobile, it works without this. So it's also in tape. So also let's get off this tape. Wow, it's too much beautiful. I can connect 2 mics in one time with my camera or my mobile. So usually I record my videos without any mic because my camera is not having the port of mic, and it records the real voice of me. So I think so I don't need any mic, and I don't purchase costly mics because I am telling you that I record in that camera that is not having the mic port. So I hope you will enjoy this video, and it will also give help to you. If it will help you, then like my video, share my video with that friend who needs this mic, and also subscribe to my channel. So for the time being, take care, bye bye.